Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. I've got my bud with me today.
Hello!
Now, I have to say, in life, there's things that come round that you look at, you think, oh, it's all right. Yeah, I like it. And then there's things that come round in life and I think, oh my God, I need it.
I was going to say, how can you say that about these?
I need it.
I know, could you see the face drop there?
I need it in my life.
I was worried about the sales technique then, I gotta be honest.
These are absolutely drop dead gorgeous.
They really are.
They're the best thing since sliced bread. Okay, and believe you me, I eat a lot of toast. Okay, so what you are getting, you have got your spring garden dome. Let me put that one there. So that's one. You have then got your garden trellis dome. You can see these are big dies. But then you have got your special celebration gift box. Okay, so that's your three sets.
They are awesome.
But, God blimey me.
Call blimey Charlie.
God blimey me. I mean, these, there's something else. They really are.
I loved making these.
Let me just move that out of the way so we can. So not only do you get your card that's got the dome on there, which all stand up absolutely beautiful. You've got all those amazing detailed dies on there. Honestly, love it. You then get the box to actually put them in as well. I mean, who wouldn't want to receive something like this? So just remove that little paper tassel. You've got your locking mechanism on there. You can see that your domed card fits absolutely perfectly inside there. Lock them all up. They're just absolutely gorgeous.
This is your mantelpiece pleaser, isn't it?
If you're selling your cards, can you imagine?
Oh, you can get a pretty penny for these.
You stand looking with these.
You're going to get everybody stopping to see.
They're beautiful. They really are. So, I mean, even just the different colourways. So the pinks and the very delicate colours. And then, I mean, who would have thought grey was so amazing with all those different colours? But then the vibrant ones with your blacks and your reds in there.
If you like a bit of colouring as well, the black ones are so easy to colour because you just put your outer edge on and colour in the middle of it.
They're just
so easy.
They're just, yeah, I can't explain how pretty these are because they are absolutely tremendous. They really are. I mean, that one there, the blues in there with that beautiful little aperture in the middle with that swingy dingy dingy in the middle.
Stunning.
Yeah. Alex is taking the mickey because, yeah, we've had all different technology words today. Not.
And then we've gone very simple here.
That is beautiful.
It is so elegant.
So this one, let me bring that one into focus for you. So this one here, look at the box. The box has actually got the cutout in the front. So once you take the card out, you see the centre of the card becomes the decoration on the actual box. They are tremendous. They really, honestly, I think our designers, you know, they do an amazing job and everything else. And then every so often it's like, oh, I need it.
They are just, I can't think of another word. They are just stunning, aren't
They're elegant, they're detailed, you know, you've got the dome aspect in there, you've got the box in there, and then straight away I'm looking at the panels in there. They can just be the normal flat cards with all that panels on there. They don't have to be domed, and it's endless.
You could use the back panel as your card front and just cut two of those.
They're beautiful.
You don't have to have a domed effect either.
Yeah, I'm just like,
I was blown away when Darcy designed these and brought them in to show me because
I
they
mean,
were just
straight away,
awesome.
it unwraps like a book.
Yeah.
They're beautiful.
But even if you were a memory book maker,
Yeah.
you got your little memory book to go in that box.
They are tremendous. I'm a bit for words.
I think that box is going to be used so much.
So do I. Absolutely, because I've come up with some different ways of making the box as well. So.
Not like you, George.
It's just to upset people. Now, what we were saying about how easy these are, apart from your matelaires, the actual construction of the cards themselves is a one-cut version. So literally, you've got your two different designs. So straight off the back, take your card blank, which you've cut out. That's your actual die. You've cut it out and you just stick that glue tab onto there, and that gives you your domed card. I mean,
it couldn't be any simpler.
It can't be any easier. So that's one shape, and then the other shape is that one there. So you've got that beautiful scallop at the front, but you've got at the back, you've got that little
you've got your decoration, almost like what do you call it?
It's like a cloud, isn't it? Really?
It is.
Across the back there.
It is. It's like a pelmet on the back of the card, though.
So they're your two different shapes. Now anybody can stick that together and you've got your card straight away. But then you've got all your decorative dies in there to either take your windows out or keep your windows solid or paper piece and everything else. But the only thing I'm going to really show you is because I can't really show you this because it's so easy. There's nothing to show.
It is.
We're going to show you how to make the box. Okay? So let's put all these to one side.
And the box is a little bit different, isn't it?
It is. So
it's not what you expect.
No. So you've got your die that's going to give you this little hinge here, and you're going to need two of those. And then you're going to need two for the top and two for the sides. And that's all it is. So let's
choose of everything.
Yeah. So let's put this together. So I'm going to come in. I'm just going to take a bit of tape off to begin with.
Alex is going to be so happy with all this red line tape everywhere.
I'm covered in it, Al. It's everywhere, sweetie. So let's do a long one. So if you're going to do the book variety, i.e. that one that I showed you a minute ago, you're going to take this and you're going to stick this right up to your spine. So what I like to do actually is bend that back a bit so I can see right into the edge. And I actually use my thumb.
Good tip there, George.
As a guideline to be able to line that one up. So it's absolutely perfect into that edge. And then my others, I'm going to stick my side on there first of all.
I can't believe how easy this is, though.
It's child's play, isn't it?
It is. It is.
So that one onto there.
But it is now. I would have thought to put in a box together.
No. And then this one is going to go onto that side. And once again, I use my thumb and my forefinger and possibly my belly.
And that's your extra hand there.
It is, absolutely. To get that little lip into there. Let's fold this one up.
I love it. I love it. Darcy's got such an ingenious brain.
She's a genius. She really is. So that one is going to sit onto there.
And again, if you are making these for a fair or something, this is how easy they are.
So that's going to be your inner lippy bit. And then this one, you don't need all that bit. So you're going to come and chop that bit off. And all you do is take that glue tab.
You've left the lid off. Do you want a bit of tape?
No, I've done it. And you're just going to put your adhesive on there and bring that and stick that panel onto there.
So easy.
And that, let me just hold it a little bit longer. Hold the line, caller.
Be kind to your glue.
Hold the line, caller, while I just give it a little bit of TLC.
And if you wanted to make it a bit stronger, you could add an extra front panel or something, couldn't you?
Absolutely. So that then becomes your wrap round, and you put your little lock on the side. Have you got one there?
Look at this
one.
one.
The key on.
Hang on, let me bring that in.
Love it.
So if you've got a load of gems, little charms, this is the place you're going to need to use them.
So that is how Darcy decided it was to be made. But we had a play yesterday, didn't we?
We did.
Yeah. So we also worked out yesterday that if you don't cut off, remember I cut off that tab there, and you fold it over and put a magnet in there, it will actually go as a clasp. So you don't need a little lock on the side. So you've actually got a magnet closure on that one. So it still opens the same as a book, but it's just got the little magnet closure on there. I left the magnet exposed on the inside so you can actually see it. Okay, so you can have that magnet closure. Now that would be a nice chocolate box.
It would.
A nice biscuit box.
Do you make homemade truffles?
Yeah, absolutely.
Wow.
It'd be perfect size, wouldn't it?
Absolutely.
It'd be an absolute perfect size for your handmade fudge or chocolate or whatever else. But also, we worked out...
But it could also be something for a little baby. You know, if you've got something small, you don't want to buy a big present, you've got a little hat, some mittens.
You could put that odd sock in that you've got upstairs on your desk.
She takes the mickey out of my odd sock. You never know. It's not one of mine, it's a baby sock.
I don't know, you've only got small feet.
Well, yeah, I suppose I could squeeze in, couldn't I?
So you've got that lovely wraparound presentation box, but also we worked out that if you take that die again and stick another one on the bottom so it becomes a wrap, you can also do it so it's a slidey box.
That's another lovely idea.
It's just another way of using those dies. So from what is essentially a box that looks like that one, like a box book.
Yeah.
You've got the one that wraps round, that actually has a magnet closure. And you can also make it the slidey version.
Just by a little thought, isn't it?
It's brill. Absolutely.
It is absolutely. And I think you can go, as you've seen here, you can go from minimal decoration to absolute maximum.
I just think they're beautiful. They are absolutely...
There isn't a bad one amongst them. They are all stunning.
They're just absolutely gorgeous. I mean,
they are. Look at the
who wouldn't want one of those?
But even, you know, like we've got lots that are paper pieced or coloured. But even the 2-colour ones or 3-colour, they still look as beautiful.
They are absolutely stunning cards. Beautiful presentation boxes. Let's face it, when somebody gets it, the presentation box is going to go on display as well. It's not just going to be an empty box, is it? They're just
not at all.
Something to celebrate your special day. I mean, even this scent. I'm sorry, I'm a bit astounded because they are absolutely...
You're a bit blown away.
I am. They're beautiful. They're easy. They are impact. They give you the impact. They give you the detail.
Yeah.
You know, yes, if you're going to paper piece it, it's going to take a little bit of love and pride. So, yeah, you can keep them simple. You can go extravagant. You can bring in your metallics, your glitters and everything else. But by Jove, you've made an absolutely amazing product
absolutely.
there.
Absolutely.
I
love them.
I think that...
Look at the acetate in the front of that one as well.
There's something about this one. There really is something about that one. I think it's...
You know, these are really your expensive looking cards. These are not
boutique I don't know. You know, when we were kids, I mean, you probably don't have them now, but like for our 18th and 21st,
The padded cards.
It used to be like the silk-lined,
They did.
padded cards. Well, this is.
They are. These are going to be your special people you're going to make
They are
these for.
your anniversaries, your golden wedding anniversaries, the silver wedding anniversaries. They are absolutely beautiful. Not only the card, but the box as well. And I know that you're going to have some amazing fun with these. Really, really pretty, really easy to put together. So I hope you're going to join us. Show all your makes, all your social. You're going to have amazing fun with these.
I can't wait to see these.
I can't.
I really can't.
We're going to have so many people posting about these because they are beautiful. They really are. So from me and Alison and Tonic Studios, au revoir!
Bye!